Swami Vivekananda stands as one of India's greatest spiritual leaders, groundbreaking philosophers and pioneering social reformers, whose ideas still resonate across the globe today. Born Narendranath Datta in 1863 inches, Kolkata, his lawyer, father, and devout religious mother shaped his early core values. As a curious child, he constantly questioned God's existence and life's true purpose. His search for truth led him to his guru, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, who taught all religions lead to the same truth. After his guru passed in 1886, Vivekananda took vows as a monk and traveled all across India. He saw widespread crushing poverty and deep inequality, and concluded national progress depended on education, self-confidence, and spiritual awareness. He dedicated his entire life to spreading this message. In 1893, he represented India on the world stage at Chicago's historic World's Parliament of Religions. His very first opening line, "Sisters and Brothers of America," immediately won a roaring standing ovation from the entire crowd. He introduced India's ancient, rich spiritual heritage to the Western world, and boldly promoted global religious tolerance and unity for all people. He later founded the Ramakrishna Mission to advance social service, education, and spiritual growth. His iconic call, "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached," still inspires millions. He died young at 39 inches 1902, and today his birth anniversary is India's National Youth Day, remembering him as a visionary of strength, unity, and service.